Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set duration tag on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok, and after this, in here, you can make the video first. Maybe on this one, and after this, in here, I wanna add the text. Maybe tutorial like this, done, and this one. And after this, in here, if you wanna set duration tags on this tag, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the tags. Okay, and after this, in here, you can click on the set duration. And now in here, you can set duration maybe until 5 seconds. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And after this tag will be um will be um the text just for 5 seconds. And after this, I wanna try to add again tutorial TikTok like this, and click done. I want to set this text again, so you just click on the tag and click on set duration. Okay, after this, in here, you just click on the check icon and finish. So that how to set a duration tag on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.